We are back. Good morning. Hey, the Mexican John Wick is here. Let's go. Penny, hey there. What do we do? Upper trend channel. Yeah, I have some ideas. Save us. What to do? I don't know. I have some ideas. With no fear, what's up? What's up? Farhad, good morning. And King is here. The King. Welcome. All right. Let's start the show. All right. So I think it was the worst day in terms of price action yesterday. New York AM session. Absolutely terrible. Terrible. But today, what I think could happen. I mean, let's look at the daily chart. Sorry, yeah, we have to look at the daily chart first. We should be pushing higher. It's Friday, 114 points up there into a bearish order block and a daily fair value gap up there. So I'm gonna put this here as possible buy side liquidity. 4 hour nothing, 1 hour nothing special. We might sweep the Asia lows, but I'd like to see this one go higher. Obviously nothing is certain. Dilzik, good morning, and Tamimi is here. Good morning. Rafael, good morning. Yeah, absolutely boring sideways movement. So, with no fear is short. Let's go. There are some good levels down there. So we have the Asia low, which is pretty close. Pretty close. Let me check. Yeah, so first of all, I'd like to see some kind of a sweep. Maybe, take out this 93, take liquidity from this 5-minute gap. I think it will go. There you go. Now it's going down. And I'm gonna put a line here to Asia low. There. 979-ish area. Swept this low. Let's wait a little bit more. Let's just wait a little bit more. And since I like this one to go bullish, doesn't really matter what I like, but we repriced in the Asia session. We repriced this move, which was right before the market close. So we repriced this gap, and we have relative equal highs up there. We also have a supply area or bearish order block. If it starts to shift, I would target the 22,045, 22,045 area as the start of that order block. But first, we might have to wait for it to sweep liquidity. So be careful. Just be careful. This one actually shifted structure to the downside. It might gonna go lower. The daily low is 91, so it didn't. It did not take that out yet. It could, obviously. And maybe pick up some liquidity from down there. We'll see. That is all we know. Dynasty, hey there. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. So no sign of bullish movement. I think it's it could be breaking that 91 point, what's the low of this candle right at midnight? 91.50 on the micro. On the mini it's 90.75. Interesting. And Asia low is very close. It's like 14 points away. So obviously it can happen. It is possible. Glenn, hey there. Don't think it could get to the daily fair value. Yeah, it can. Obviously, I mean the one that is up there, the upper one. This or this down there. I mean there is a volume imbalance for sure on yesterday's daily candle. So we have fair value gap up there, still ready to be repriced, and this is a supply zone. So that would be at somewhere above okay 22,111. I mean, yeah, good. It could. Ollie, good morning. Good to see you, Ollie. How's it going? Still a little bit cloudy. The weather is still cloudy out there. Hey, Reza. What's going on? Good morning. Hourly SMT to bull side, just a scalp. Oh, I see. I see. Down 200 bucks. Sorry, trying to find a good trade. I mean, 200 bucks is absolutely doable, like anytime. So, doing good, Reza. How are you? How are you? And Naomi is here. Welcome, Naomi. Good to see you. Good to see you. Yeah, so not sure. We're close to Asia lows. There's relative equal low at the after the midnight open. Not sure what it wants to do. The bigger, let's just say quote unquote bigger picture on the 5-minute chart, I see this zone up there and relative equal highs, and also we have the daily fair value gap up there, a big supply area. So who knows? For now, we just gotta wait and see. Just like yesterday, the same situation. And the 2 o'clock, yeah, exactly. So look at that. Midnight and 2 a.m. relative equal lows. I'm not saying it's gonna take it out. It can just leave it like that, you know, lure everybody into the shorts and then squeeze higher. So we'll see, I guess. We'll see. I invite a good morning, jó reggelt. And Nintendo is here. Red is here. Oh, hey there. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. That's the SMT. Oh, I see. Okay. 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 Well, yeah. I mean, I guess anything is possible. Let's just wait for it and see what's gonna happen. Still have time until London Open. We have some news this morning? Let me check. Oh yeah, we have PMI numbers. Okay. French, German. Right. At least we have something. And PMI numbers in the New York session. That could be interesting. Just a scalp, yeah, but from higher. Yeah, so it might go sideways until the news, or until at least London Open, or until at least the macro. Not expecting too many things to happen in the next 30 to 40 minutes for sure. So and the price action so far is slow. Not enough volume in the market. So pretty much just hovering here around 22K. That's all we know. This is all we know. This is all we know. I mean, 15-minute looks good as a bullish order block to the left from yesterday, but it's not really a good one. I wouldn't call it a valid. We have some equal highs on the 5-minute. The 5-minute on the 5-minute chart, the candles, I mean the bodies of the candles are relatively in the same height, which sometimes means that those levels could also be swept for liquidity. Man, I can't speak. I can't speak today. Jonathan says, hope we see 180. 22,180. What is going on? Jesus. Reza. Look at this, man.
Top step payout hit to the bank as I promised. Here is a $50 giveaway. Wish me luck and wish you all the best, guys. Love, Reza.
Reza. Huge applause. Huge applause. Again, this man. This man here. All right. Well, it's happening. By the courtesy. I don't know how many times now. I have no idea for how many times now. Reza Banks is sponsoring a giveaway in this session. Let me just set it up. Oh my God. Reza, I don't know what to say. Thank you so much in the name of the community. So there's going to be a $50 cash giveaway sponsored by Reza Banks. All right. Let me just set this up. Exclamation mark cash, and it has started. We're gonna pick the winner before the London Open. I mean, in about 20 minutes or 15 something. I don't know. So we have time. Exclamation mark cash, everybody. Reza Banks is the gentleman again. Reza, I don't know what to say. I don't even know how he spent a lot of money on this channel for giveaways. So thank you again. There's the sweep. Good morning, Oshevs. Bank of Japan raised rates to 0.5. Oh, that could be interesting. 2K plus. Oh my god, yes. Reza Banks spent more than $2,000 in giveaways on this channel. Jeez. Reza. That is a lot. That is a lot. Reza, that is a lot. Reza, by the way, I mean, obviously I have absolutely zero problem. I mean, no issue with that. But you know, $2,000, you spend $2,000, 30% of that goes to YouTube. So obviously it's no problem for me. I definitely make up the difference anytime for the community. But if you want to do it, you can do it on PayPal as well. But maybe maybe it's not available in your region or something. It's still good. Don't worry about it. It's absolutely fine. Reza is super generous. He is super generous. Looks like we want to sweep Asia lows. Exclamation mark cash. Don't miss the giveaway. Don't miss the giveaway. Reza, I'm super happy that you're making those payouts with Top Step. I mean, you were at MyFundedFutures, you know, pulling the money out constantly, and now from Top Step you're pulling out the money. By the way, we only have 17 participants, so put, you know, exclamation mark cash. And Reza is just pulling out constantly. Oh, I mean, Reza, please do not take this the wrong way. I have absolutely no issue if you put it in Super Chat. I'm definitely forwarding it to the community. Absolutely. No, Reza, anytime. I'm happy to do it. It's my honor actually to have someone like you in the stream for the community and to support Reza. I'm just, you know. I was just thinking like, oh my god, like $600 goes to YouTube from that. That's almost a month's salary here in Hungary. But I don't care because we're super happy that you're doing it. 43K MyFundedFutures and 34K in Top Step. Jesus, this guy, look at him. 43K with MyFundedFutures and 34. Reza, I know I told you this and we talked about this earlier. It would be really awesome if we could just, you know, connect a little bit on Discord or wherever and, you know, share some thoughts. Truly amazing what you do. Slim Trady, hey there. Good to see you. All is good. Yeah, waiting for the sweep here for the Asia lows. Jeff is saying pass 2 more top step X. Let's go. Let's go. Congratulations. No, I'm not in a short. I'm not in a short. I was thinking to maybe go for a scalp, but the range was too small, so we were just so I started the stream around here somewhere, and anyway, it was just like a few points. So the only thing I'm doing is waiting for the sweep, and on the 5 minute we have the come on, supply area or bearish order block up there with relative equal highs, and we have a daily fair value gap and a huge daily supply area. So I would like to stay long, especially because it's Friday. You know, Friday situation, sweeping everything and then doing the home run for the bullish move. Definitely, Reza, I would love that. I would love that. Definitely, Reza. That would be awesome. That would be awesome. Hey, Temder. Welcome. Reza knows a cheat code. Hugh Sky, good morning. Welcome to the stream. Exclamation mark cash, everybody. You know, Reza Banks is sponsoring a $50 cash giveaway. So we're gonna pick the winner in about 10 or 15 minutes. All right. So YOLO, I'm not in a short. I'm just waiting. I'm waiting for the lows to be swept. It was a good scalping opportunity to take out relative equal lows, but I'm not really trusting this move down here. It might go lower, but whatever happens, if I look to the left on the 5 minute, I don't see anything else as specific, not even a proper zone. So not on the 5 minute at least. I'm checking the 15 minute. Nothing special on the 15. Like yesterday, this here in the New York session, oh my god, look at this. Absolute mess. This was a horrible, horrible price action. All these wicks, you know, absolutely horrible. Yeah, it looks bullish. I'm definitely gonna stay on the bullish side for now. As I said, I'm just waiting for the sweep. 9 more points from here. Gotta make sure that it takes it. I wouldn't be even surprised if it goes below the 60s to sweep some more. But I would be careful with the longs. This is an Asia low here. And totally forgot to put in the new day opening gap. Did we have one? Yes, we had one, I think. Let's just put in the new day opening gap. I forgot to put that right there. Don't forget that we also have another new day opening gap lower. New day opening gap. It's not going to be accurate, but new day opening gap. It's up there. Could be a significant level. Just experience in the market since 4+ years trading. Congratulations, Reza. That is. I mean, I remember. I know a few months ago you talked briefly about what you're doing or what you're looking for. But anyway, I'm gonna pick your brain on that offer, and just curious. I need to collect the information, just like everybody. Hit that like button. Thank you, Mexican John Wick. $31 participants so far in the giveaway. Exclamation mark cash. Pivot is hard. I know that a lot of traders are using the pivot. Like a lot of traders using it. And EMA. There you go. Oh, it's not you. It's Nissim. Sorry, Nissim. Yeah. So pivot and EMA. I changed a little bit, like trading momentum and also not marrying in direction. That's my problem still. On the technical side, my problem is that if I married myself into a direction, I'm trying to see setups all over the place in the same direction. I just cannot switch my brain that the market has shifted, and that gives me a lot of trouble. So for example, now I'm seeing this 22,045. My brain is pretty much attached to this level. I'm just eyeballing it all the time. And if I would start to see the movement in that direction, I might just gonna take it, like anticipating it, as they say. Karsten, what's up? Yeah, the trading week is okay. Let me just check it for you guys. I requested 4 Apex payouts. But I think it's gonna get denied. Where is it? Okay, so I requested these payouts. Not too many payouts from Apex, but I had a few. So this one, $740 under review. This one, $598 pending. This one is $523, and this one is $1,239 pending. So 4 payouts requested. I am pretty sure that at least 2 of these are gonna get denied, at least, because for example on this one, on the $1,200, I went above the 30% limit, and also on the 740. That's why it's under review. On these 2, I'm sure I went over the limit. On these ones, I don't know, but I just wanted to continue with the clean slate, and that's why I requested it. I'm aiming to request more, obviously, but anyway. Marco, good morning. Ati, good morning. Good morning. It was like you had a trade yesterday in the style. Yeah, I don't remember exactly which trade was that what we had a good trade. I think it was a short. I think it was a short here. Yeah, I was short yesterday from somewhere around here all the way to down there. It took quite a while, but that was my short on the stream around the lunch hour. Yeah, that was my short. What's the difference between under review and pending? Under review, I think it's just the same as pending. No real difference, Huge Sky. It's actually the same. They are reviewing the trades to see if you broke the... it might be suspicious for the support or trade department or whatever they want to call themselves. It might be suspicious. Some trades might be suspicious of breaking the 30% rule or something, breaking some of the soft rules of risk management, and they're going over. Maybe they're forwarding the account statement to another support member. I don't know, but it's basically the same. I think they should be finishing with the reviews in under 48 hours or something. At least that's what they said last year, that the payout process is that 48 hours should be the maximum to finish with the review. Who knows? Sup Ham, hey there. Sent me a mail. Oh, let me check. Yeah, thank you, Nissan. Just a second. Yeah, no problem. 3 days now. Yeah, I know that someone was under review for 4 or 5 days, I think. So no surprise there. Apex never was fast about approving payouts, but I guess it's part of their system. But I'm okay with it. Yes, last year I was waiting 3 weeks for a payout because there was the 2 cycles, you know. And when I just finished the trade at the end of the cycle, basically I received my money almost 30 days. So with Apex, this is how it goes. But that's it. Reza, I received the mail. Oh, and thank you for your Discord. Example. Oh wow, what a so this is what Reza Bank is seeing. I hope you don't mind that I put it out here. Interesting. 5 minute, 2 minute. I see you have some nice levels there. Some trend line as well. Fair value gaps. Nice. I like it. Okay. Interesting. And that's the trade you're looking for. Good. Very good. Are you using a Ninja Trader? I think you are, right? Well, they at least they did not did that retroactively like other prop firms. So at least Apex didn't do it as retroactive. I always got to pay out in terms of that. Like now they said the rules are changing, and I agreed to trade by their rules, and I'm expecting a denial because I broke one of the soft rules. So, but I'm not going to cry about it too much because it was my fault, actually, because I broke the rule. I'm just trying to say, I'm not protecting them, I'm just saying that at least they're not doing it retroactively like other prop firms did, or do it sometimes. What's up, Greg? Good to see you, Greg. Oh, Top Step X. Sorry. Oh, yeah, because you changed the layout. Is that normal candles or Renko? I think I closed it, right? Yeah, I closed that window. Let me check it. On the left side. On the left side is normal. On the right side is Heiken. Ashy candles. Yeah. Heiken Ashy on the right side. Sorry, I totally forgot to see that. Heiken Ashy here. Normal. on the left side. We should be sweeping that 79. By the way, today is the last day to get your instant funded accounts from TickTick Trader. With a $250 discount, it's down to $369. 100K instant funded account. And the platform is Project X, TradeAwait, or Ninja Trader. These are the three platforms. Quantower is unavailable because it's not Rhythmic. So just saying, the coupon code is TomSabo250 for the discount there. I mean, that's the cheapest 100K instant funded account so far that I know on the market. Side hustle to fund my prop firm challenge addiction. Well, when I started this, I mean, I was working for years for an insurance company. But the good thing in that is I was a contractor. So I was a salesman for an insurance company, which means I usually was, so I can have my own time schedule because I was meeting with clients all over the country. And because we have a small country here, I can get by car everywhere or anywhere. And there's no real distances here. I could just drive through the country in like 3 hours if I want to. And so it was easier for me to, not saying easier, but I had time to trade. As for financially, that's what I did as a side hustle. Side hustle, well, it was my main job to pay the evaluation accounts. But if I would have been in a 9-to-5 job or 8-to-5 or 8-to-4 job, obviously I couldn't be here on YouTube, or I couldn't even manage to trade normally, maybe in the Asia session a little bit, or the PM session in New York. So you're asking what a good side hustle. Something, why I'm telling this is that a good side hustle would be some sort of a entrepreneurship or stuff that you can do in your own time. But you know, it depends on your you know, living conditions, expenses and such. Lots of stuff depending on it. 91 watching, awesome. Push the like button. Thank you. Different from me living in a third world. Yeah, 9 to 5 here, barely pay. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So Greg, yeah. Actually, I don't know how to say it, but there was a time in my life, but I'm just gonna share this small detail. I wasn't totally broke, but I didn't really have much money, and I was, let's just say, in between two jobs, and I was really saving up every single penny, and penny, foreign, Hungarian, foreign, but let's just say dollar. I was saving everything, and and one of my good friend who is absolute, he's a crazy guy. He's a real survivor. Told me to try out something. I really needed to. There was a week I really needed to get like $200. I was in urgent need of $200, and I could have maybe, you know, called up the family and asked them that I really need $200, but I didn't want it to do that because my mother, she would be paranoid, and you know, I didn't want to give her such feelings. So what I did, I went to Budapest. I bought a Polaroid photo machine, and I was taking pictures of tourists with my friend. And I told them that, hey, on a weekend, and I told them that, hey, it's whatever you want to pay for it. It's just for fun, and you know, we're collecting some money. It's whatever you want to pay. And over 2 days, I managed to collect in the center when there's a lot of tourists. On a good weekend, I managed to collect almost 300 euros from tourists. I was amazed, like, oh my god. And all I did was just walking to people like, hey, would you like a good picture, you know, or just, you know. And some were asking, hey, what's the deal? And I said, hey, I'm just trying to get by. I need to get some extra because I'm short on money for the end of the month. And there was one guy who gave me 20 euros. Like, here you go, no problem. Like, all right, I was like, so I'm just saying, it was pretty interesting. But it's a secret. Keep it like that. That was in a different dimension. Good morning, Michael, and Crypto Panda is here. Lost your funded account, and when you're broke, then trading. Oh, Greg, I can agree with that 200%. That absolutely. If you don't have money, even a single evaluation account can be extremely challenging. So I'm just saying this to anyone who has a similar situation, that don't be hard on yourself and take it slowly, because if you really have to, you know your expenses and where to put money, and you have to put money on the table to buy food, and you know you really are living on the edge, then you know, a prop firm account can be extremely challenging. It messes up your brain completely. So yeah. Just going sideways. Anyway, we have 44 participants in the giveaway. We're gonna pick the winner in a minute. Also had a payout denial before this, which really, oh yeah, I can imagine that. Nerton was down $1,000 and trading was horrible. But you know what? Keep going till you get it, and you exactly, Reza. Exactly, Reza. Who keeps buying evals as to what is the profit margin as affiliate earnings and selling courses? Well, you know, hey, who won? Thank you so much, Mexican John Wick. Thank you for the $5 donation. Awesome, thank you, man.
Tom, we love your channel. Keep it going, sir.
Thank you, man. Thank you. You are awesome. So I lost my thought here. Can you check traders? Can you check traders launch apart from Tom? Are they legit? Traders Launch. I never heard of that prop firm. Never ever, but I'm gonna check it. I was wondering. So, you know, YouTubers and influencers, the profit margin of affiliate earnings and selling courses removed. So yeah, that's a huge. That's the thing that I'm trying to do here. So that's what that's why I'm having this Excel sheet, and I'm gonna update it over the weekend. And yesterday we were talking about this. Like, I'm not even profitable. How to join the giveaway? Just type in !cash to the chat, and that's it. You're gonna receive 1 ticket. !cash in the chat. Just in time. Let's go, Daniel. !cash. I'm gonna pick the winner in 1 minute. All right. There you go. There you go. Tough. Welcome to the stream, by the way. Yeah. How about the others? Well, for example, Patrick Wieland spilled a little bit of a information crumb a few weeks ago on his stream that in 2024 he spent over $300,000 on evaluation accounts. $300,000 on evaluation accounts. Obviously, he's a big streamer, and yeah, 300K on evals. That's what he said briefly, shortly on one of his stream. I don't know if that's true or not. Thank you, Daniel. So, but he got a payout like 600K from Apex alone. So obviously, in a business perspective, that's profitable, right? But yeah, so Greg, he also said that the majority of his income comes from affiliate commissions. So that's why he could afford the supercars and all that stuff. He's making millions on yearly million. I think he also spilled that sometimes in one of his stream. I think he like $2 or $3 million from affiliate commissions last year or something. Not sure. I think he spilled the beans there once. And yes, someone asked him directly that, come on, tell us, and he said yes, he never denied that his income comes from affiliate commissions. But sold his soul to Apex. You know about the yeah, someone was I think someone was reading it. Anyway, let's pick the winner. All right, let's pick the winner. 55 participants. I'm gonna close because London Open is here. I'm gonna close the entries in now in 1 minute, tick for tick. Let's close it down. I'm closing it. Okay, closed it. You can know I'm covering the chat, so let's do it. Let's do it right now. All right, I'm not seeing the chat. If you haven't entered, I'm sorry. The winner is going to be the one and only Tick for Trader, or I don't know. Tick for Tick, sorry. Anyway, the winner is sponsored by Reza Banks. $50 cash. 3, 2, and 1. Edgaras, congratulations. Edgaras, congratulations on the $50 cash giveaway. First time ever. Congratulations, Edgaras. Awesome, awesome. Edgaras, let me log into the chat, and I'm gonna type my email right there. So here's my email. There's my email. right there. Just send me your PayPal, and I'll send it to you ASAP. Sorry, Tick for Trick. And thank you so much, Reza Banks, for sponsoring again for multiple times now the giveaway in the name of the community. What a gentleman. If you're making that much money from affiliates, he can't criticize the prop firm or give honest review. Well, we could be talking about that. Yeah, Greg. So that's like a two-edged sword. Yes, I know. But he's making a lot of money. Obviously, I think Patrick Wieland has... he did good. He was very smart by starting this YouTube streaming for trading early, because now he became one of the biggest, if not the biggest, trading YouTube streamer. But hey, good for him. I'm not jealous. I think he was very smart, and he is still very smart, very good entertainer, I think, and I think he knows how to trade, but he's a very smart internet marketer as well. And he said that too, like he was learning internet marketing, and he was into courses, how to do internet marketing, how to do proper affiliate marketing. His website, Only Prop Firms, is filled with cookies, just saying. His website is loaded with cookies. So when anyone goes to his website and accepting the cookies, all of the prop firm cookies are going to be injected into your browser. So whenever you purchase an evaluation account from any of these prop firms, the commission goes to him. So he's basically farming. He's farming the community because his website. I know one of my friend who is a very good coder. He programs websites. He analyzed his site, and it's injecting. If you accept all the cookies on his website, all the prop firm cookies are injecting into your browser. So, for example, if you want to sponsor another streamer and you want to have someone's code, if you go to his website, it overwrites it, and for example, it's gonna go to his affiliate commission. I don't mind. I don't care. Whatever. It's his thing. But he's farming with his website. He's farming with Only Prop Firms. He's farming the affiliate commissions. Because it's all based on browser cookies, you know. That's how it goes. So that's why I'm saying if you click on my link, that's helping. For example, with Tradeify, I don't have a custom code, but if you click on my Tradeify link, it overrides the cookie in the browser. So if you purchase a Tradeify account, for example, that small portion of commission goes to me as an affiliate. Not saying that this is how it works, and this is how Patrick Wieland built up his website. And very smart. He's very, very smart, or at least he's working with some smart people. So, thoughts on gold? Oh my god, I totally forgot to look at gold. I totally forgot to look at gold. Where was the midnight area? Where is it? Thursday. I want to see yesterday's levels. Oh my god, it's way back there. Just a second. Okay. We still have some Asia low levels here. But as for the big picture, let's go to the 1 hour. I like this. This is nice. Oh yeah, we just entered into a supply zone on gold. On the 1 hour. The top of that supply area is up there. Yeah, so I like to stay bullish and target the 27.97, but on the 5-minute. I just like to see this go higher. So I'm gonna stay bullish on gold, but I have no entry here. No entry. At least we swept these Asia lows, right? Best Sam, hey there. Let me read the chat. Sorry. I checked out Larry Williams' course. I don't like it. I don't even think he trades like that. I don't know. I never checked his course. Calorie Dense website, yeah. But we don't years. I can't stand him anymore. Obnoxious. Yeah, maybe. Isn't that what Honey Extension was doing? I'm not sure. Asia low gone. Let's see it reverse. Yeah. Yeah, Naomi. That was actually a good idea from him. So anyone who clicks on his website, everybody's farmed. Everybody's injected. Like all the cookie goes to him. London sweeping Asia, yeah. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Let me check it. Let me check it. I was just talking about Patrick Wheeland, the website, the only prop firm's website. Hold on. I have to log into my mail here. All right. But all right, let's do this. Edgaros, would you prefer it in euro or dollar? Would you, because if you need to convert it back to euro, then, that's like, because I'm converting it from my currency, Hungarian forint, but I can save you up a little bit extra if I send it to you in euro. Yeah, euro. Yeah, because PayPal is converting in a horrendous price. So then I can convert it in my bank because I'm uploading it from my bank account, and it's gonna be cheaper for you. Okay, don't worry, I'm not gonna say like 48 euros. All right. Euro is expensive. All right. Don't tell anyone, but it was in euros. Okay. 50 euros. All right. Let's hit it. All right. 50 euros sent. All right. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Let me know if you have it. I think you have it because I just received the confirmation. All right. Ba-da-da-da-da. Awesome. Traders launch. Sure. Let's check it. Let's check it. Let's check it. Traders launch. Sure. Got it. Awesome. Awesome. Congratulations. Hey, there's a first time for everything. Congrats. Traders launch. Okay. Is this a brand new prop firm or 200K, no restrictions? Is this a futures prop firm? Futures. Okay, 80%. Split, subscribe every month. Okay. They have 200Ks. Okay, they have DX feed. What? Interesting. I have no idea who these are, but when did they start out? Their website is, I mean, they have 5 reviews on their Trustpilot. I had never heard of them. Where are they based? Contact information. Pennsylvania, United States. max@traderslaunch.com. I'm guessing it's a brand new prop firm. Traders Launch LLC. I have no information about them. Nothing relevant. They're brand new, obviously. They have 100K plan. Anyway, they're brand new. Nothing to say about them for now. Looks interesting, but nothing out of the extraordinary. But who knows? I just received, like, I don't know, like 15 new prop firms established in the past 2 weeks or 3 weeks. I don't even know their names anymore. So many new prop firms. 34. Nice. Yeah, the problem is that actually it was a very bad experience, not just for me, for you guys as well who traded at Profit Trade and before then Fast Track Trading. The only new prop firm I'm still testing is Day Traders, who are basically in the lawsuit with Apex, basically the copycats of Apex. But I'm not actively trying to promote them. Obviously, I have a promo code the same with them, but they are also brand new. But you know, which prop firms to trust? You know, obviously, I'm pushing the brakes and staying with the biggest ones, the well-established ones, the big ones, and that's it. That's what you can do for now. Yeah, interesting website. It's like pretty much like made from a template. It seems like to me that they used a simple template to put on the website. So yeah, the website, to me, it looks like they used the template generator and they put it on. Not too many pages there. So, you know, you can create an LLC in 1 day. So yeah, be careful. Like, there are so many new prop firms, so many. Gotta stay with the biggest ones for now, especially until we don't have regulations coming in. Kellyanne is farming as well. I mean, no problem with that. Last time, I'm still feel a little bit stupid that I was ranting about how Kellyanne or is doing her reviews. I mean, she has reviews of prop firms that she's not advising to go with, yet she still has the coupon code. If you guys still want to go with them, you know, this is my coupon code. But I don't have an issue with that. It's her business. But anyway, I had to apologize to you guys last time I was ranting about it. Obviously, she puts a lot of effort and time into research. I hope she does at least the same amount of time into trading as well. So that's it. Because, you know, creating, you know, having a YouTube channel or social media reach out just for creating FUD is not something I like. I never like to follow those kind of people who are using their social media presence to create FUD. Not just in prop firm trading, in any other business, because this is a business. And in any other business, if someone is using their following to create FUD, I just don't like it. For me, it feels negative. It feels a little bit toxic. I don't want to be part of that. I just want to focus, you know, on reaching the goals. That's it. And if someone is using their social platform to do this, then obviously he or she is aiming for something else, which could also be a business in this case. Anyway, moving on. Zipping. Focus on trading. That's it. When I start to go into this, it's hard to stop, so I'm stopping. Let's move on. Swap to Asia lows here. Swap to Asia lows, and let's just see. I would like to see this obviously break higher. I might even take a long here. I'm pretty much into the idea. Entering a long only with 1 micro, and I'm going to add one more micro. I'm going to tell you why. Because there is a small supply zone here. We just my entry is way off, by the way. We shifted structure here. We're shifting structure here. We should be taking out the midnight area, and up here as well we have this level, and I want to see if this price action can really start to go. I mean, all these levels up there, this and this, these are levels to be taken out. I like that. I really like that. So just with 1 single micro yet at this point. My stop is super tight, but I took this on a funded account, just saying. My final target, this one's gonna be a runner for the stream. My final target is gonna be 49.75. Showing you guys in a second, and I'm going to add 1 more micro if it would go lower. So here's my entry. I want to hold this for the target is based on the 5-minute time frame up there. So the purpose of this trade, and that's why I don't really care about the exact entry, is to hold a runner. Okay, that's it. Take Profit Trader just became one of the best prop firms, by the way. Take Profit Trader, by deleting the daily loss limit, I think Satoshi is right. I think they just became one of the hottest prop firms to go with, especially because they are well-established ones. The payout policy is excellent. So Take Profit Trader, I think they really want to compete with on the top there. So yeah, Profit Trade was scammed too. Yeah, unfortunately. Spigs, I have no personal problem with Karen. I just said what I said. I wish her all the good luck. I really do. I wish her prosperity, and I wish her all the best. Grow her channel and following. That is awesome. I think she does a good job, by the way, with the investigations. I just don't want to be, I don't want to feel that kind of negativity. I'm sorry. I just don't want to feel, whenever I see her posting something, it's negative. It's a negative comment about, doesn't matter which platform. She has a vendetta against Apex, so it's all right. I accept it. But it's usually like something negative about, oh my god, something. I don't want that. So I don't want to see that. Your gold short. Let's go. Good morning, Jacques. Hey, Jacques. Good to see you back. Yeah, power 3 for longs could be. So this is a runner here that I'm holding. Let's go. Mr. Donald. You're long. Okay. Take a look at gold. Let's take a look. Oh, wow. Okay. Gold is going down. There's an Asia low here on gold. I would like to consider, well, this is not Asia low. This would be just a minor sell side. This would be Asia low officially. This would be Asia low on gold. I think it's gonna take out 27.75. It has a good chance, but on the 15-minute, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, I didn't see this. Beautiful area. Beautiful area here. 27.69.8. And this happened during the Asia session. Very good chance that this is going to take out the 75.2 if someone wants to scalp it. It pretty much that's why I don't like to trade gold on futures in the London session. Gapped out. I look at these candles and there is not enough volume. It's just, you know, just can't really go, for example, scalping, which I don't really like anyways, but we'll see. It's interesting to buy. $79. I'm not sure how much is on the regular starter account, the discount. You can check it with my code example, Yannick, but I know that there's a 40% discount on the starter plus 50k if you're brand new. Oh, Kellyanne, but she's on YouTube. She's all right, absolutely. I'm just saying I'm not really liking her some of. Anyway, let's move on. But obviously, no hate or anything. I just don't like negativity, and that's it. That's it. Yeah, Apex. By the way, that video and just the last comment that Kellyanne put out on her website, that video that Apex were talking about how to what to send to the traders, what emails to send. That happened, very important, last year in March when they came up with the new system. And when I saw that video, honestly, I didn't see anything special or something that, so I didn't see anything special in that. One of them, their CEO, was talking about, okay, you know, if someone is not following the rules, then, you know, we should send an email like, you know, you should do this and that. And obviously they were talking about how to try to deny payouts, partially because if someone is not following the rules, yes, they're trying to it's profit orientated. What can I say? If someone thinks that similar conversations are never happening, for example at Top Step, then you guys are then I'm sorry, I'm not gonna say you guys are naive, but that person who thinks similar conversations never happen, for example at Top Step or whatever, that's just being naive. Trust me. Trust me, when the private circle with Michael Patek and his, closest people sit down, they talk exactly the same. Like, okay, what to do to not to try to pay out this and this much amount of money. When they came out by moving everybody to live and you cannot trade on an XFA account, imagine that conversation. Like, all right, we should do something about the XFA accounts, so they should not be trading on an XFA anymore because they are good traders. Let's not pay them out from our pockets. Trust me, similar conversations are happening on every prop firm. So nothing special for me on that video. Wasn't surprising at all. So anyway. Have a nice ride on gold. Jacques, don't go away. Don't go away. Those highs before. Which highs? On gold. NQ long, let's go. Locked in 2.4K, let's go. Oh, sure. Saucy. Saucy, I sorry, forgot to say. Did I forget to say hello to you? Here's an applause to Saucy G17. Big shout out. Akram, good to see you, Akram. How you doing? No problem. Sausage, ha. Totally forgot to say hello to you. Ion Vida is long on ES. Let's go. You are a real good person. Well, maybe you shouldn't ask my ex-girlfriend. Oh. Risk-free? All right, let's go. ETF. They remove your account. I heard something about that. But I think you can restart. I think someone said that you can restart with new evaluations. You just have to start over. But yeah, they can take away your funded account if you're not going with the rules. Obviously, they still need your money to buy evaluations. There's no fear. Good night. Have a good one. Thanks for being here on the stream. Uh-oh. The trade is looking bad now. What's gonna happen? Gold short is sprinting? Yeah, I'm in the long, Michael. Yes, Michael, I'm in the long. What's happening on gold? Ooh. Okay. 2775.2 is also, yeah, could be. There's a very good level down there if it would start to go. Dun, dun, dun. If it would break above 15, maybe I would put it to break even. Maybe. 50k ETF funded account with 10k profit deleted when requesting first payout due to IP hiding technologies. Dude, what the heck? What the heck? No communication, just a payout denied and account deleted. Mail. Have requested a review of the decision, so we'll see. That is bad. That is bad. Shit. IP hiding technologies. That's BS. Now that is something. So just to be clear, denying a payout for a reason like this, like IP hiding technology, now that is bullshit. I'm sorry. I'm calling that BS. They just don't want to pay out $10,000. That's it. I'm calling that BS. Big time BS. IP hiding technologies. Come on. Now that is absolute. Elite trader funding. Yeah. That is a huge BS. Recently I saw on stream. No, Michael, I have no idea. Honestly, I don't even think that you need that kind of big accounts, to be honest, Michael. I don't think you really need bigger than the 150Ks, which is practically a well-known business model and still a good recipe for success and enough contracts to trade with. Just remember, it doesn't really matter how many zeros are there or which account size. All you have to focus on how much is your buying power. That's it. So the $50,000 accounts, that's usually $2,500, right? That's your capital, demo capital that you're managing. I love when some traders put out that I am managing $2 million. I can't stop laughing. I'm sorry. I know Naughty Bar actually puts it out. I love Naughty Bar. I think he's absolutely a genuine guy. I think he's awesome. But I can't stop smiling, like I'm managing $2 million. I'm like, come on, man. You can't believe that yourself, dude. I mean, $2 million. Oh my God. I'm telling you, if you would be managing $2 million, you would be shitting your pants all day. So, no. But it's still it always puts a smile on my face. Let's put a smile on that face when I see the social media post managing $2 million. Come on, man. I'm like, okay, all right, that's cool. That's cool. That's awesome. Demo money, $2 million in demo accounts. I mean, you gotta be. I mean, I don't know. Anyway, I'm sorry. Moving on. Moving on. Moving on. That's so funny. I think it's really fun. FOMC. I'm a 7-figure funded trader. Come on, though. It makes me laugh. Come on. It's good. The payout request was on 27.50. Max for first payout. 27.50. I see. Okay. Okay. Always copy if you want. Yeah, exactly. Dedicated server for trading in order to specifically not change IP address when being mobile. Have had issues. Also, you're using dedicated server. Huh. Interesting that you use that. Maybe that dedicated server is something they don't. I don't know, but it should be like the same IP, so you're not messing around. My IP is VPN and proxy service, which is not interesting. About gold, it should be breaking lower. That's what I think. It's wiggling. I see that it's wiggling up and down. The 1 minute looks messed up on the futures chart anyway. How does it look like on Forex or CFD? Sorry. I like it. I would say there's a good chance to go lower so far on the CFD contract or Forex or whatever. I like that it could be sweeping liquidity lower. I like the idea. Not financial advice, obviously, but look at my Lambo. Nutty, he's cool. I like him. He's absolutely is a great person. I mean, he's genuine and I mean, that's why we like him, because he's genuine. But and everybody can have a losing streak. So, but he wasn't. He was on a winning streak, I think, last time. On a 50k, you can trade up to 5 lots. I think that is more than enough. Yeah, more 5 lots. Come on, man, Michael. 5 lots is not just more than enough, unnecessary. It's too much in relation to 2k. Yeah. Can you explain by your TP? Yeah, sure. My TP is only based on bearish order block, relative equal highs, supply area, and we have a daily fair value gap above 1100 and 111. And overall, I'm expecting a bullish movement as ES tries to push up higher as well. All I was looking is a proper liquidity sweep here and then seeing price going up. So basically, it may be taking up to the New York session to go up there. That's why this is a runner. So the purpose for this was a run to being a runner. It can also just go down here, do like this. So I wouldn't be surprised on this move. I don't care. I might even add one more to the mix here. Maybe adding one more down there, and that's it. That would be the plan. Yeah, by the way, yeah, good question, Tamimi. If the IP is in a different country on your dedicated server than on your mobile or personal computer, that could be an issue. I don't know. If you're not per personal trading with 2.5k entry, like preference drawdown rule is the same as you would trade on prop account. True. When Subaru display? It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen soon. It's gonna happen soon. Hey, unique team, what's up? Can I request some time? Receive proper of the evals I had bought for tax purposes. I live in LA, USA, so some type of receipt. Yeah, so when you purchase an evaluation account, most of these prop firms are sending you an email, right? At least, for example, Bulenox sends a receipt when Apex sending you a receipt, MyFundedFutures is sending you an email. In my country, my accountant just told me that we are using those emails as receipts. You know, we're putting into the tax papers, and that's how we do it, basically. Yeah, so genuine. Yep, I mean, just to be clear, these prop firms are not regulated. I know it would sound good, but the prop firms are just working with the CME, and that's it, which is also a profit-orientated company. But the prop firms are not regulated. Not even Top Step is regulated. None of these prop firms are regulated. So yeah, sure. Yeah, so that's why I said unique team. So you can use those emails as receipt. That's it. That's what I'm doing. I'm saving it in a PDF format, and I'm sending it to my accountant as well, and we're putting it to the expenses, and it's fine. You know, that's how we're doing it. And to buy my company at a hosting company in other countries, so it's connected to me regardless of the traveling to other countries and trade have been possible. I see. Yeah, we have a bit of a volatility now. Yeah, prop firms need some regulations. I am really hoping that this year some regulations will come. I'm really hoping that. Just the data. It's all sim funded. Yeah, exactly. Tutor. I mean, you have time to worry about taxes later when you get profitable. Oh, we have news. Yeah, totally forgot. Yeah, we have some news here. PMI numbers. German PMI numbers. Okay, next news event is coming in 27 minutes. Okay, we have some news. Let me delete this. Let's see. So as I said, I am willing to add one more position to the trade with the purpose of having this as a runner. You can't handle risk management sometimes, like with 3 mi, 5 micro, 1 micro. It's fine, you know, going with it, you know. So what, you know, I always, it's not about having a standard number of contracts. You know, if you have a stop loss somewhere, it depends on how much you want to risk and how far is the distance of your stop. I never use the same amount. I mean, I usually go in anywhere between 1 micro to 10 micro, depending on how far is my stop. So there's nothing wrong with that. You have to determine how much you are willing to lose before you enter the trade. That's how simple it is. Just as Mark Douglas says in his books as well, you have to determine how much you are willing to lose before you enter the trade. So before. So you want to go long, you say, all right, I'm willing to lose $100. Okay, how far is my stop where it would hurt me? Like down there. Okay, how much would that be in micros? Okay, that would be like 2 micros or 3 micros. Okay, and that's it. I'm entering with 3 micros. And that's how you do it. That's how you do it. When you get that 10-9 end of the year. Oh yeah, Jason. Yeah, sometimes we trade to win, but who cares about that, right? Nobody cares about that. I don't know the rules about the United States tax rules. Actually, I don't even know the exact rules here in my country. All I know is the tax is superb high. So high, like. And this year I have to pay even more. So, not the fan of it. Yeah. Michael loves NQ. We can't get over. Yeah, we should be. I mean, it's gonna be a little bit hard for price to get over, but I think it should eventually. Eventually. As I said, if it moves higher to around 16, I might put it to break even. Or maybe just below this swing. Actually, you should be regulated. Lessen it, yeah. Oh, I completely agree with that. Yeah, Michael, I know. NQ, like, yeah, she does the dirty tricks. Now, okay, yeah. So Jason knows how those things are working. If you trade spread betting accounts, but there are no spread betting brokers for futures in UK. Wow, that's interesting. Never knew that. Cell phone, right? All that out. Business expense. That's cool. Few UK properties which are regulated by the FCA, but again, no futures trading. I think it's one of them is Audacity Capital or Audacity Capital. I don't know how to pronounce it. I tried them, and I think they said they are regulated in the UK. They also have their own brokerage department or something. Audacity Capital, but you can only trade forex pairs, I think. Not sure. Leave Hungary at some point to pay less tax. Interesting question, but to pay less tax, I could be just channeling my income as an entrepreneur to an offshore company, maybe. You know, that's what I would do. I mean, I like my country. I like to live here, even though economically we are in the depths, in the deepest, darkest years of the country economically. I still love this place, but I think I would channel my income through an offshore company. I think that's what I would do. Somehow. I know there's so many legal ways to do that nowadays. So hey Juan, thank you for joining. Have a good one. Good night. Hope to see you next time. Thanks for being here. This trade is just going sideways. Let's look at the 5-minute. What's happening here? Nothing. Let's look at gold. Nothing. Everything is unplugged. If it starts to go down, it's all right. But if it going to shift again in this area on the 1 minute as a bullish reaction, I might add one more. But first I want to see what it does. What a terrible price action. It's absolutely terrible. I mean, not that bad, but the worst was yesterday's New York AM session. It's worth a lot in your country. Yeah, exactly. So, very good point, point from Raphael. The thing is that I like this business. I like trading with prop firms, and I really see a good future in trading. And I like being here on social media, to be honest. I like it. So I'm trying to build my business on this. And so far, you know, receiving my income in dollar in my country, that's good. So, you know, Oh, you can buy anything in $1. Anything. Well, Naomi, here you can get. Let me just tell you, you can get a meal. There's a place where I used to eat nowadays as well. You can get a soup, and you can get a main dish. Nothing special. You just some main course with some meat and some sides there. You can get a cheap meal for $3. Yeah, that's the cheapest place I know. $3.50. That's something, and that's actually that's a lunch. So you get a soup and you get a main dish for $3.50 in my country. But that's a cheap place, obviously. But for $10 you can have an excellent meal, like a superb lunch. Like you can have also soup, main dish, dessert, something to drink, and a big one. Not just a small chunk of food, but really like a big serve for only $10. Actually, that's way expensive. I said too much. Sorry, that's way expensive. Like you can get a very like a big size lunch meal for $5. Sorry, $5 or $6. You can get an excellent lunch. Excellent. I trade for a living, but I'm not a profitable trader, Cloud. I couldn't be here without affiliate commissions. I don't have a Lambo in the back, and I don't have exclusive stuff. But without the affiliate commissions and without the YouTube channel, I couldn't be here full time. So maybe Rafael, maybe. Not in New York, and the bus ticket next village is £3. Wow. A Big Mac is 12. A Big Mac menu here is $5. Bowser, a Big Mac menu here is $5 or $6 here. Yes, I will, but I told you the weather has to be good because now it's still freezing cold, and the garage which I have downstairs, there's no heat there, so it's I hope the weather gets better a little bit. I'm gonna bring my laptop there and I'm gonna stream from there. Just let the weather be a little bit, it's too cold there right now. Arizona iced tea for $1. Arizona iced tea for $1. Wow. Is that a good thing, Arizona iced tea? Back then, you can buy a Big Mac meal with drinks and fry for less than $5. Now it's more than 10. You can still buy a Big Mac menu, which has French fries and with drink. You can buy it. Actually, I'm gonna check it for you right now. How much is the Big Mac menu? The regular, just the normal Big Mac menu. Okay. So here's the, I don't know if it's updated. I think it should be updated. Big Mac. What's the price for it? I need okay. I think I'm gonna get it. Chicken Big Mac menu. Big Mac menu. Okay, we have it. Here you go. And that's for takeout. So this is more than, and this is from the food delivery service. So that's 2,440 Hungarian forints, but it's more expensive because it's for takeout. So I would go with about 2,200 Hungarian forints, 22 or 23. I would go with 2,200 because this is more. You can order some extra stuff, but this is for takeaway. I mean, the food delivery service brings it for this much. So I would go with 2,200 Hungarian forints. So 2,200 Hungarian forints to USD. Currently, a Big Mac menu is $5.65. Let's just say that in Hungary, the Big Mac menu, $5.65. That's a Big Mac menu here. Yeah. Oh, the Telegram is open. Nice. You can buy this Big Mac, yeah. You can have 3 people per day for your task in 10 USD. Wow. So meal, sorry, Big Mac meal. We say it menu. Sorry, we say menu here, but yeah. I didn't watch that. I saw his video on the other day, but in Poland it's more expensive. Wow. I can ship you guys some Big Macs. So far we're stuck here. The 5 minutes still looks good. I like it. Maybe I could switch this to the 5-minute chart here. J Smith, I'm in a long position on NQ. Oh my god, gold just started to push. Where does this go? Swept the high. And NQ started to go down. This is not something I was ready for. There's a small gap here on the 1 minute. This one. What do you know? This is the first presentation gap from London Open. Haven't even checked on it. Let's see the reaction. There will be news in 5 minutes. You're in buys too? I'm in small position, you know. That's Big Mac meal, large fries, and soda. Lots of ketchup. Oh, $5 back then. Hey, Zach. Yeah, a bit of a dump here. Dumpage here on NQ. DXY. Oh, okay. Also coming down. Yeah, repricing this gap. Uh-oh. Seems like my trade is going to the dumpster as well. No, not yet. When I zoom in, it's still good. Hey! Uzi, thank you for the subscription. Welcome to the channel. Welcome, welcome. Oh, hopefully it might need one more sweep on the downside, but hey, I'm not gonna cry about it. It's 1 micro, but hey, I really thought that it's starting to go up there. So I'm just gonna wait for the next train. Now it feels like it wants to take out that 71. It's pretty close, just a few points away. I don't know if you guys are trading with the trend lines. I see now more and more people using trend lines for scalping. Quite interesting. I'm not even sure what would be the proper way to scalp, for example, on the 1 minute time frame. I guess it has its own technique. I was using trend lines years ago, but sometimes it seems to be so easy. You know, you just draw the trend lines. I used to draw them using the wicks of the candles. For example, here, this could be a good short. But this other short up there, this was a loss. This candle took the highs. This was a good short. Interesting concept by using trend lines. I was actually thinking to look into scalping with trend lines. I was even thinking about maybe to dedicate a evaluation account to scalp with trend lines. I'm looking at Forex Factory. Forex Factory. Oh, Trades by Slade is here. Welcome. He's using trend lines. Yeah. Good to see you, man. Congratulations on the payouts. I saw some posts. Awesome job. I always forgot to like some of those. And just scrolling through everything real fast. You draw them a high time frame and wait for breakout on 1 minute. So which time frame are you drawing them? 5 minute, 3 minute, 10 minute, 15, 2 minute? Oh, let me delete this. So this first fair value gap is still acting up here. Might be holding it back from going down. You start on 1 hour. I see. Okay. Hey, thank you. Thank you, Slade. I totally forgot to write you a DM. You still used to message with Brett Simba. I just can't get a hold of him. I was thinking maybe someone who is closer to Tradeify should help me or could help me out maybe with this code thing. Nobody really answers me there. So I thought I'm going to approach someone who is closer to the fire. Maybe then they will take me seriously. I don't know. What a recovery here. I'm going to keep that in mind, by the way, Slade. Going down from the 1 hour, I might do some backtesting with that. You know, he stopped messaging me. Oh. To the big boys. Okay. Oh, it happens. Destruction candle incoming. What is that? Anyway, I like the name. So I might gonna backtest. I saw some other traders as well using trend lines for scalping, and you know, the good thing is that it can actually hold you with back from doing some stupid trades, I think, because when you're a little bit on the discretionally, you know, entry side, then you might do some crazy stuff. And at least when you see a trend line break, a proper trend line break, until you don't see it, at least you don't enter the trade. So that could be a very good mechanical system to go with, especially if you're dealing with emotional struggles like I am. So I think it could be a good idea to have a mechanical approach. All right, now we can go. Now we can go higher. Let's go. I'm officially calling it 22,049. Actually, I'm going to pull it down to 49. 22,049. Swept the 4 hour. Vivian. Hey there, welcome to the channel. What is your system now? I saw your videos used in. I do. I know. I use the indicators combined with ICT. I still have those indicators on my left. Just saying. I always use them, and I combine them with ICT concepts. But you know, I guess along the journey, and I do have to, you know, update my website as well. I'm always trying to refurbish some stuff as I go along the way. I'm definitely trading differently than a year ago because I'm trying to adopt, and like everybody, you know, more and more experience. comes to their brain, and I'm trying to adopt. But yeah, I'm trying to combine it. I'm still testing that, and I had some good results with EMAs. And by the way, are you Hungarian? Because me too. I guess you figured it out by now. Good to have you, üdvözöllek. And trading with TopStep as a live funded J Smith. That's awesome. Ah, yeah. We might be in a buy model here. I'm not trading with TopStep currently, but I will. Hopefully blast through point of control. Igen, okay. Üdvözöllek. Yeah, so I think we can go higher. So just to state that again, I do trade with ICT concepts, but I tend to combine it with those exponential moving average indicators that I have. It's only on for MetaTrader 5 right now. A friend of mine is coding it to NinjaTrader. I think he already finished with it with one single indicator. It's bam, it's on. But yeah, look at this, going higher. I called it officially. Actually, hold on a second. Hold your horses. 44. Hold your horses. 44 then. I'm sorry, everybody. Pulling it down to 44. I'm sorry. Because that's the safer exit point. I mean, I could go for... yeah, but on the 5-minute, that's where the order block starts. I'm sorry. So not 49, 44. Not 49, but 44. Yeah. And I forgot to add one more to the mix here. Let's go. But I think we are on the right side. I feel more comfortable now because the first fair value gap has actually this one has been inverted, and now I feel more comfortable with this. I feel like there are orders sweating above 15 or 16 ish. There has to be, and so this one should go. Big green candle incoming, Martin says. Okay. So this area here to the left, definitely holding stops there. Definitely, 100%. That's like inevitable, like Thanos. This is happening. It has to take it out. If not, I don't care. I don't care. Give me 22.20. That's a good number. I'm gonna hold it. We are gonna hold it. second, just a second. No, it's not. I'll just check something real quick. Sorry. We need to get above. Yeah. But it's Friday, so watch out. Yeah. Melyik prop firmnél kérdezed? Attól függ, hogy melyiknél. Vivian was asking how much time it takes to usually on most of the prop firms, when you buy an evaluation account, you get the eval almost instantly. Funded accounts, you know, you might get the funded account, you know, the next day. With Bulenox, it can take up to 2 or 3 business days, but the evaluation accounts should be ready within a few minutes, or like at least 30 minutes. You should be receiving the credentials. Szóval, ha Eval számlát kérdezed, akkor általában hamar meg kell lennie. Néhány perc, max fél óra. A legtöbb prop firmnél, amikor kifizeted, regisztrálsz. Elküldik a belépést nagyon gyorsan. Ja, meglenni, úristen. Úgy érted, hogy teljesíteni, oké. Fáradtság, fáradt vagyok. Nem is mondjuk el nekik, úgyse értik. I misunderstood the question. Vivian was asking how much time does it take for me to pass anyway. Depends on which prop firm. If I go with cheap evaluation accounts, for example, if there's a sale on Apex or Bulenox, I tend to do some crazy stuff. By crazy, I mean I go in with my minis, sometimes full porting on one trade, especially in New York when there is enough volume. On MyFundedFutures and Take Profiteer, I'm still struggling. But because I'm stupid. It's not because they're bad or anything. At MyFundedFutures, it took me about 3 weeks, 2 weeks or 3 weeks to get the funded account. I was pretty much taking it slow. If there was the $15 sale at Bulenox, I went crazy because my pass-through rate is like at least 1 out of 3. So if I buy 3 accounts, I'm still below $50, and I can just full port it, and I get the account. You know, like other prop firms, you can get evaluations for $80, $90, $100. With Bulenox, I can just go crazy with 3 accounts, and usually I get to pass it in 1 day, at least 1 out of 3. So that's 1 day. But the expensive ones, the pricey ones, I try to look after it a little bit more. So usually 2 or 3 weeks. But I still go a little bit crazy on the evals, even the pricier ones. When I trade more aggressively. When I see a scalping opportunity, I go in with 1 or 2 minis there to scalp it. I'm not doing it. I try not to do it on the funded accounts. So the Bulenox eval now is $43, I think. It's 75% off, still $43. No sale currently. I have Take Profit Trader. Got a day 1 payout account, so. Oh, nice. That's crazy, Amit. You're doing something good there. You have something good going on in your trading style. I like it. I did that also on cheap accounts, but to be honest, exactly, Michael. So, Vivian, exactly. That's a good point from Michael. If you do these full port, go crazy on the cheap evals thing, that's actually building up bad habits in your trading style. It's all psychology, and the prop firms knowing that, they know that. They want you to go crazy because you're going to be in the same mood on your funded accounts and you're going to blow them. and that's it. Yeah, creating bad habits. Trendline breakout to be upside looks good. To go up from here, nice. Slate, I'm gonna look into those kind of stuff. It's interesting, you know. Obviously, I'm gonna do back testing, whatever, and maybe go crazy on an eval. I still have a few Bulenox evals left over. How many accounts you can have? Up to 11, but it scales up. So the best is the 50K because the 100K activation fee is $230 or $40, so it's way expensive to activate. 50K is the optimal with Bulenox. Option 1 is the intraday trailing. Option 2 is end of day trailing. But option 2 is more expensive. There's no discount, only 45% on the option 2s, so it's about $100. And you can scale up to 11 funded accounts with Bulenox, but you start with 3 at maximum. Whenever is one of your accounts scaled over $2,600 and you have more evals that are passed, you can ask support to activate them, and they're going to activate them. But one has to be above $2,600 to be able to activate more. So it's scaling up. It's not like Apex, you can start with 20. You have to scale up. Yeah, we should be going above those highs there, by the way. It's 1 day pass. Yeah. Daily loss limit on the option 2 accounts is $1,100. It's the end of day trailing. But the intraday trailing accounts, there's no daily loss limit, but it's intraday trailing. You know, gotta be more careful. Go for base hits. I don't care about that because I trade small or I go for base hits on the funded accounts. So I don't care about the intraday trailing. It locks in, so it's gonna lock in at 50K, 50,100 to be exact. So when to break even? You can go to break even now, I think. Actually, I'm gonna put this to break even. There, we're break even. If it goes down again, then I just don't want to hold it. If it goes down below 90s to the 90s, or below, sorry, to the 980s, if it goes back down, then we have a high chance that it wants to sweep lower. So I think it's a safe area to go break even now. And it should be breaking the 15 as we talked about it. And yeah, if this one goes well, I could be ending up nearly $100 on a funded account. But hey, it's London session and we're having fun. Take Profit Trader is, yeah, it's an ATM machine, exactly, Amit. And one of the main goals for me this year in trading, at least in the next 1 or 2 months, is to get payout from Take Profit Trader. So next week, I'm gonna be trading the Take Profit Trader accounts. I mean, I'm gonna purchase some more. I blown a evaluation account or test account with them. I don't want to start today on Friday. For next week, I'm gonna have at least 2 or 3, and we're gonna trade it live on stream, and I'm gonna put it to the daily breakdown videos how I'm doing with the Take Profit Trader accounts. I want to have the ATM machine, daily payouts with Take Profit Trader. And if you use the best code out there, which is one of the best codes because it's not my catchphrase, but but if you use Tom Sabo code, well, rest assured, you're gonna be joining the winners club if you use the Tom Sabo code. Just saying. If you want to be in the winners club, use the Tom Sabo code. That's it. Man, this is so cringe. I cannot take partials. I have 1 micro on it, so I'm just riding this. Let's see how it goes. Yeah. Is there a minimum to pass the challenge with Bulenox, and how many trading days? No, it's 1 day pass, Eric, and minimum 10 trading days to request the payout. Minimum 10 trading days, and 20% of those trading days, which could be, so you can trade for 20 days if you haven't reached the profit goal, but 20% is the allowed for flipping. So if you have 10 trading days, 2 days can be allowed for flipping. If you have 20 trading days for the first payout until you reach it, you can have up to 4 days for flipping. They have a flipping rule. Don't ask me the number because they haven't clarified it. Basically, they're just looking, they had an email sent out that they just want to get rid of the abusers and schemers who are using algos and systems. But if they see a steady equity curve with proper risk management, there's going to be no issue with flipping. That's what they said. Persze, mindenképpen Vivian. Az e-mailem megvan, nem tudom, hogy kiírja valahol. Mindjárt beírom chatbe, jó? Hol a chat? Itt az e-mailem beírom. Küldesz egy üzenetet, és akkor megadom a Discordot, vagy valamit kitalálunk. Globex, open here, yeah. You took profit, Ollie. You're banned. Or as Trump would say, you're fired. No, just joking. I know, it's understandable. You should be, you guys, if any one of you guys are a little bit heavier into this trade, please, now this is an advice. Take partials or move your stop. Secure some profits. I'm only in with a tiny position. I don't care about it. Secure some profits there. Secure, all right? Secure those profits. Yeah, long position is going well. I need to check something. I'm clicking all over the place here. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, what did I do? What did I just click? What did I click? Where did everything go? Oh, here. All right. So, just a second. I do have it somewhere here. Where did I put that? Where did I put that? I wanted to check on something. Okay. So it was in this trade. Can I request a pet every day with? Yes, you can. What's their discount? 50% if you use the best code, Eric. 50%. Of course you can. Request every day like an ATM. Szívesen, mindenképpen megbeszéljük. Szívesen segítek. It was in 4 minis. Let's go. I can't take profits. I'm so fired. Yo, don't worry. Let's go. We're winning. All right. As for the best code, here is, this message was approved by the President of the United States.
Listen up, traders. Subscribe to Tom Sabo. He is the best trader out there. He is a winner like me. He is a great guy. Go to his YouTube right now. I'm not kidding. This guy is the best trader. He is a tremendous trader. I wish I could do what he does every day in front of the charts. He is a winner.
Hold on, Donald. If this guy is so good at trading, maybe he should start his own prop firm.
Don't be an idiot, Joe. Tom Sabo will be exclusively trading only for me and trading with billions of dollars. He is winning. He has a gift from God, so he is going to work for me, period. He is too good for prop firms, but first we are going to make him famous, so subscribe to his channel.
Hold on a minute. You two are part of the Matrix, but Tom Sabo is a top G. He will not be enslaved by your kind. A talent like him should be trading in front of the world every day on his YouTube and only work for himself. So fuck off, old bastards. We already have a plan for Tom.
Yeah, that's true. Tom is only going to work for us, and he is getting at least 50% of the shares of Tesla and SpaceX. I think humankind is just not ready for his talent because there is no evidence that there ever was a better trader than this guy on Earth.
Okay, I think the message is approved by the big boys, all right? So, yeah. So, I think it clears out everything, so... so, you know, I'm gonna be trading exclusively for the big boys. Why not? Make sure to subscribe. Soon I'm gonna be holding 50% of the shares from SpaceX and Tesla and whatever. So, Slade, I honestly I can't really remember. I found the website. I was googling for AI meme generator website or something like that. Honestly, Slade, I would tell you right now which website was it. It was a website. So meme video generator or something. I googled it and I just clicked on some of them, and you could choose from the small videos, and you can just, you know, write in what you want to hear, and at the end what I did, I just put them together. That's all. I did that last year in October or September, so this is a few months old, but I can't really remember which website was it. But I know I googled like AI video meme generator or something like that. I will hire everybody. Yeah. I wish I would remember, man. I don't remember. I don't remember, but something that's how I found the website. I know. Yeah, this was a good one. All right, what's it gonna do? I think it should be going higher. So on the 5-minute time frame, I see this. you know, like I was always looking at these levels. Maybe I'm calling it differently nowadays, but I'm always looking for these levels here. This is my favorite level, and I clearly remember, and I know it. I said it last year as well many times. I'm using these levels as targets. Now, obviously, they're not always working, but I use these levels as targets. And how I get there is just the secondary question, as ICT would say it, building bridges. And I see where I want to go. I'm just trying to build a bridge to get there. But obviously, the entry model can be different for anyone. It can be a trend line. It can be a 2022 entry model. It can be whatever you want. The world is yours, you know. The world is your oyster. Choose your way. Choose your way. And trading would be so simple if we put it like that, because what you have to do really in trading, you have to anticipate where price or where you want to see price go to, right? And when I implemented this into my trading. Like I'm seeing those levels that I like. I am anticipating the move. Like, okay, it does what it has to do down here, whatever. Let's do its thing. I don't care. But as soon as it starts to move that way, like here, no, here, I like this move with the structure shift and taking out the zone. Then I added one. I forgot to add one more down here. This one was a nice inversion. Should have added one more. Don't worry, no problem. When I see the bullish signs and the moves, then okay. Anyway. At this long, is that the 15? Oh, the 15-minute fair value gap. Well, true. We need to look at higher time frame. The market only retrace and expand. Let's look at the 15-minute. I like it. I like the 15-minute. It looks good. Looks promising, actually. We are in the 15-minute gap, that's true. But yeah, could be happening. Can you check out gold? Yeah, sure. Let's see. Up here, this line, the 2784, is the top of the. No, it's not the top. Hold on. Hold your horses. Okay, this is a 1 hour zone here at this flat candle from the 1st of November on the 1 hour chart. What you see here, bullish push into liquidity. This was the sweep. Bullish push, shifting down. The problem is that the shift was only made by wicks, so it's not a proper shift. But anyway, this was the zone, and month later, gold actually coming back into the zone, and the top of the zone is 27.97. We just went into the zone again, repelling from there, going down. Then this is still the 1 hour chart. If I go to the 15, we have another zone, but this is a demand area down there. Now I'm saying if it can't go through here, then if it goes down to 27.75 and this is the 15-minute, then this would be the target I would be anticipating down there. That zone right there. If I go even lower to the 5-minute, it's not a structure shift yet. It's not yet a structure shift, so I don't see anything special here. The 1-minute though, it's not even a structure shift on the 1-minute. It's still bullish. So the 1-minute gold, at least on futures, still looks bullish. Now, on the CFDs, so I'm switching to the CFD here. If I look to the left, here is my bread and butter again. Boom. It seems to me on the CFD that it wants to return, take out the low of this demand area. So it's, and now we're just going into analysis paralysis. All right, so I'm just saying that these could be good targets. This one went actually, so we're right. What I want to say is we are in no man's land because it can go both directions. It's hard to read on gold right now, at least for me. Now it's a coin toss a little bit with the gold trade, or with trading gold. I don't have a gold trade on. How much do you risk per trade? I risk about $100 on a funded accounts team per trade. Sometimes 150. And yes, when I went crazy, 200, but usually 100, 150. So that was the thing. No problem. You can write with capital letters, no problem. Took profit at the high, looking for a pullback. Let's go. Let's go. Struggling with the UDO, but yeah, it could be a possible resistance area here. And again, it can still, you know, wiggle around here and just go and sweep some more lows. Who knows? So this scenario is also a possibility. Bookmap and heatmap is pretty trendy order flow tools now. Yeah, they are very trendy. I think they're good tools anyway, so I think they're good. I'm just not really using them that much, but they're definitely good things. I was gonna do it today. I'm gonna do a drawdown to make. Oh. Yeah, that's. I know that kind of sucks, but I know you can make it, Steam. I know you can. You're long ES. What's happening on ES here? Okay. So ES is a little bit sideways. Not too much happened. This trade so far is doing a bit of a pullback here, which is perfectly fine. Repricing a 5-minute gap currently. 94. Unfortunately, it can still go down below 94. If that happens, well, it is what it is. At least we had some good time. You're at payout now. I need to flip 5 more days. Tradeify growth. Oh, I see. I see. Sitting at 800. Oh, we're doomed. Up 52 on 76 funded accounts. How do you get so much, man? How the heck? Oh. Hmm. Yeah, Ollie, I'm a little bit sad now. All these efforts for nothing. Well, it's just 15 points, so he's managing 3.5 million. I knew. I knew that he's a big shot. He's a big shot. That's what he does. Monopoly money? Yeah. Demo money, still money, you know. 50% of the expansion. Let's see. My problem is that I think the pullback is going to be just at my stop. Yeah, look at that. 61.8, that's where my stop is, right below there. 50% level, yeah, 22. Maybe the 22k will hold. If it breaks the 22, then it's going to reprice this gap on the 5 and I'm done, which is all right. I still like the level up there at 45, so we'll see. We shall see. This is what Snoke said in Star Wars, right? Which was a crap movie. I mean, the new one. So, unfortunately, they destroyed the Star Wars franchise, but that's a different stream. How many business card I handed out to girls? Oh, good idea there, Tron. So, about what I said earlier, I'm managing, when someone says I'm managing this and this millions of dollars, it's good for dating. Yeah, that's absolutely a good business card. Can always help you out. You know, put it there like hedge fund manager or I don't know, $1 million trader, or I'm not sure, something like that. You know. No way, I'm not gonna go for president. I've learned something. I didn't learn, but to my best observations, those who are in real control are not the president. Those are they're always in the background. You don't see them too much. The ones who are in real big control, those are in the background. So no matter which country are we talking about, doesn't matter. The president is just, you know, how do they say it? A puppet. So, yes, he's awesome or she's awesome, whoever is the president. Awesome because the people wanted the president to be the president, but the presidents always are a puppet. Yeah, let's create a business card. Yeah. Oh man, gotta be honest with you guys and ladies. I'm not gonna enter into another trade. I have to go to the gym, you know, do some workout. I'll be back for the New York session, as always. But I'm gonna call it here, everybody. Thank you so much for this stream. We had some very good talks. Interesting London session for sure. What can I say? Really good one. Enjoyed it. So thank you again for for your support and being here. If you would like to support the stream, please use my codes and links. Don't forget it. 50% off at Take Profit Trader. And today is the last day for the Tick Trader discount, instant funded account. Anyway, check it out in the description. Thanks, everybody. And Jerry can take TV, yeah. And God bless you all. See you guys in the New York session. Cheers.